So, go out and have fun. Okay, this is take 2. I'm going to try to for real do a good one and not do so many bloopers. So, let's get going. Definitely going to clean my brush out and let it blow a little bit to clean out the alcohol from this. So, let me get untangled here. Good grief. Okay. So, let's put this in here. I'll put quite a bit because I had to fill it up 3 times last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, something like that. Okay. Let's see. I did not just do that again. Oh my goodness. All right, start over. You go down there. I want to move this around like I always do, and you cannot do that. Okay, here we go. And it's spitting on me. Now it's going. Not so worried about that. I think we'll cover it up. I kind of want it again darker in the middle. I did like that effect. I'm obviously not good at this. So, I will be playing more. I want some more. You know what? I'm happy. Okay. Now, let me clean this off. I'm going to put you on pause. Okay. I think I've got it. We're going to go with it. All right. So, drop of this. We'll get up close to that one dot so I can at least camouflage it or cover it. All right. Let's go for this. All right. Let's see. Oh, I can't wait to try this with other colors. Oh my goodness. I'll be up all night. And I have to say, the slower you go, I think the better your petals are. Sometimes I like the real wispy, so I'll go really fast, but I like the shorter ones because I don't want my whole page to be a petal. So going fast pushes the alcohol and not giving it a chance to dry. I have to say, for not being terribly impressed with this black before I got the pitch black from Ranger, I was like, eh. Now I'm really liking it. This is really... It doesn't have the other colors the other one does, but it is pretty true to all the grays you're going to get from a black. So it's really neat. Ooh, I like that one. I typically finish one right in the middle. I like that. Yeah, it kind of calls a finale to it. But I want it to be a real pretty one too. And that's what I'm trying to get right now. It's that real pretty, stunning one. Ah, did you see that? Oh my goodness. I wasn't even paying attention. Okay, forget that. We are continuing on. I like this. You could still frame it. That'll work. Okay, like alcohol ink marker. I'm thinking I'm going to tilt it up a little bit. What do you think? I like that. All right. Let me go spray. I'll be right back. Okay. We're back. Let's see. We'll do this. Okay, I went ahead and finished the head. The camera cut off on me. I didn't know it. So after I got the black in there, I went in with this marker, Posca, I guess is how you say it, and put in my white dots, more on this side than this side. And then I went in with a bright yellow, lemon yellow, alcohol marker, and just kind of dabbed it on there to give a little color. The yellow is the only color on this picture, and I think it turned out really good. If you were to put it in a frame, something like that, that would look awesome. And then when you panned out, there's the spot that I dropped. But anyway, hopefully this gives you good ideas, and y'all go have fun. One more thing I thought about, if you want to add just a little extra layering to your flower, I like to go in and add these dots. It just kind of adds a little something fun. And it's just putting the dots bigger, of course, at the top and kind of fading down. But this is just another option. And as I was looking at mine, I realized, oh, I didn't do that. So it's another idea. So it adds a little something to it. All right, now go have fun.